Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The discussion of a 2026 Ford motorhome requires a careful analysis of Ford's long-standing position in the recreational vehicle market. Ford's contribution to the motorhome sector mostly consists of providing the sturdy and flexible chassis that other recreational vehicle manufacturers use to build their varied product lines. As a result, a thorough analysis of a potential 2026 Ford motorhome must take into account both the general trends influencing the RV market and Ford's expected chassis innovations. Ford's highly valued chassis platforms, particularly the F-Series chassis and the E-Series Cutaway, are the most notable of its contributions. A mainstay of Class C motorhomes for many years, the E-Series Cutaway is renowned for its long-lasting dependability and adaptable design, which can accommodate a variety of floor plans and amenities. The foundation of larger and more fully equipped RVs is the F-Series chassis, which has a higher cargo capacity and inherent strength. Expected changes for the 2026 model year will probably include powertrain efficiency improvements, possibly integrating Ford's electric or hybrid technology, though the broad use of fully electric chassis in this market is still a ways off. Improved fuel efficiency and lower emissions will always be important engineering goals. Additionally, it is anticipated that improvements in chassis design would enhance handling and ride quality. The 2026 chassis options are probably going to include improved suspension systems and more advanced driver assist technology, similar to those found in Ford's larger car portfolio. Motorhomes constructed on these platforms would be safer and more comfortable with features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, and improved stability control. Another important factor to take into account is the incorporation of modern technological interfaces. Contemporary recreational vehicles are becoming more and more like mobile homes, necessitating smooth connectivity and user-friendly control systems. The user experience in the resulting RVs would be directly impacted by Ford's integration of cutting-edge infotainment systems, digital instrument clusters, and extensive networking choices within its chassis. These developments would make it easier to incorporate smart home technology and improve navigation into the living spaces that the RV makers have built. The direction of Ford's chassis development will also be influenced by the changing needs of the recreational vehicle sector. Ford may investigate chassis designs that more easily support features like larger battery banks, solar power integration, and improved freshwater and wastewater management systems in response to growing consumer demand in off-grid capabilities and environmentally friendly travel. In order to maximize fuel economy and overall performance, the search for lightweighting materials and aerodynamic efficiency will continue to be crucial. Finally, considering Ford's position as a chassis supplier, the 2026 Ford motorhome is expected to inherit improvements in chassis design, powertrain technology, and technological integration. Although Ford does not produce entire motorhomes, its ongoing innovation in its core platforms will play a significant role in influencing the next generation of recreational vehicles. This will allow RV manufacturers to produce more technologically sophisticated, comfortable, and efficient mobile living spaces for a discriminating consumer base.